Hey everybody, it's Swan with BlackBoxStocks. Hope everyone had a great day today. In this video, I want to show you how to use our platform. And let's say you don't trade options, but you're curious on how to use option flow to trade common shares. We get that question asked actually quite a bit, and I wanted to show you how to do that, how you can use this information to your benefit. So this is the default screen when you first log into BlackBoxStocks, and we're going to go over here to options. That brings the option flow screen in the middle here. Now, what I like to do if I'm looking for commons is to use this unbelievable options flow filter that BlackBoxStocks has and make sure that unusual activity only is checked. The reason I do that is because that filters down a lot of times to stocks that are under $25, where it might be better to get into commons rather than options. So as you can see here, all these spot prices are typically under 25 bucks. That's not always going to be the case, but a lot of times that's what we find. So how do we use this option flow when we're talking about commons? Well, first thing this morning, we saw flow coming into a lot of different tickers, and Wish was one of them. And you can see all of a sudden all of this flow that came into Wish. Started at 9:30 this morning. They started hitting on the call side, the July $10 calls, and the ticker price was $7.96. Over here you can see when we alerted it on our platform. We alerted it at just a little after 1 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern, and then it just continued to run the rest of the day. Look at after market or post market after hours. It's hit over $14 at one point. So from a $10 move up to nearly $15 move, that's in commons in just a few hours. That's one awesome way. So again, by utilizing the unusual options filter and just seeing what tickers are hitting, what option flows coming in, as you can see, they just ground and pounded this ticker all day long. Let's look at another one. I think we had one in Clove as well. Clove was obviously hot today. Again, they started hitting that early this morning. 9:35 right out of the gate, hitting 17s, 22s, 20s, 30s. I think even farther up we saw some 45s being bought. But look at the spot price. Started at 16.82, so that would have got you in about right around here. And then it just continued to go up to almost $25 a share. So at that point you're looking at a nice gain on a percentage wise and dollar amount if you decide just to get into commons. Again, watching the option flow come in and seeing that they were just ground and pounding this ticker all day long. Another one was AHT. Again, that one came in. They started hitting that one at 9:41 this morning. And again, 7.5 strike, all different dates. But again, spot price came in at 541, and you can see it just continues to climb all day long. Closed the day just around over 6, and then again after hours it popped over 7. So again, 20-30% gain in common shares. Pretty awesome little trick there using the options filter. Another one that we saw come in today was DGLY, Digital Ally. Again, they didn't ground and pound it, but look at the spot price. Came in at 203, so right about this point, we alerted it right at $2 pre-market, and it went up to just over 221. So about a 10% gain using, again, the options flow along with the alert system. So hopefully that helps. That's one way that I use the options flow to get into commons. And hope you guys stay green, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.